Hello guys, this is just a little update of my 737 homemade cockpit. I got now 6, not a real one but car seats. They do the work. I couldn't find a J rail. They were too expensive, so I found a way to make it work pretty much the same. So I have a car seat rail in the bottom and another car seat here over there. I will get closer now. So they pretty much, when you sit, you move to the right and then the seat move inside. So let me show you right now. Over here, sit right here, in position, to the left, to the right, get in the center, and then go down here. Do your thing over here. So when you finish, about the same as the J rail. Same over here. Center, go down. If it's a long flight, you can live by. Slip a little bit. But that's it. Pretty much what I could make. Not a lot of money. Car seat, they were like $69 plus $25 for a couple set of J rail. I mean the regular car rail. Wanna do the cover, but not yet. So you go.
President 8.
Sorry about that. You just place it in the middle. Down here, like a regular car. And then they're out of the way. Okay, I'm sitting here in Miami, Florida, Miami International Airport. That's it. Goodbye.